Today we're going to replace the downpipe on a 08 F350. You can see we got it sitting on the ground right here. Letting the engine and exhaust cool down just a little bit before we start working on it so I don't burn myself. But if you look up here, you can see the top part where it connects. And then also come down here. Right there, we're going to have to remove those bolts. So first thing I'm going to do is spray some WD-40 on them. Let them soak for a little bit so those bolts don't break. Alright, so we sprayed the bolts down with some WD-40. They're 18mm bolts, so we're going to go ahead and get these bolts off before we start cutting and get the piece out. And there we go, it's off. So now we're going to cut the downpipe to make it easier to move this and put the new one on. Alright, so we got the bottom piece cut off. It's kind of tricky, but it's doable. It takes some time. It took me about a good 10 minutes. Alright, top bowl is loose now, so we should be good to take it off. Alright, so moving this top part was actually kind of difficult. I had to take a hammer and hit the bottom of it just to break it loose up top. The clamp was kind of stuck on there, but just give it a few good whacks with the hammer, and then as we're pulling it out, just kind of rotate it, and it'll come right out the bottom for you. Alright, so we got the new pipe in there. I just loosely put this one on, the bottom part on, just to hold it for me. Still haven't tightened this yet. I want to go up and tighten the top part before I come down here and tighten all of this stuff up. Alright, so I got this downpipe off Amazon. I had to modify it just a little bit, give it a few dents just to make it fit properly. Which kind of sucks because it's going to take away from the get some more restriction, but that's what we gotta do to make it fit. So right now, just tightening down on the bolts, and we're gonna give it a try.